Hi everyone, and thanks for tuning in the channel. So today I am just going to be posting a video of all the wildlife that is at the off-grid property. As you can see, we have a great big bear, we have a couple does, and we do have a couple of bucks, and we have a doe with her baby, her fawn, which is wonderful to watch them grow. So as the video continues on, I won't be talking through the whole thing. Oh, there's the mom and her baby. It is just the cutest thing to just watch them. It is just so cute. Love it, love it. But yes, this is our off-grid property. If you are new to the channel, we are going to be building our farm here. That is our future goal. We are going to be making it off-grid farm. But for right now, we are just admiring the nature that is coming in and out of the property. We have 126 acres. And we are going to make our dreams here. At least a very good retirement. But that big black bear, at some point with the farm, that will be no good. But for right now, he is free to roam and enjoy the fruits, the blueberries, the raspberries, and strawberries that nature naturally gives. Which is kind of nice to really see him come back and forth. He is very healthy. As you can see, he is very healthy. But yes, this is all of our footage of the 12 cameras that we have set, and the main reason to have the trail cam set was for the original trespassers, not animals as in humans. But I have grown to love this new passion of mine of just watching nature, the wildlife come in and out, go through as they please. It is just beautiful to see them in their natural habitat and just to really watch them grow. They move away and then they come back. We had a pack of 3 of wolves. They're gone. We only have the 1 wolf. We had a pack of 3 of coyotes. I have not seen them in the last couple of months, which I'm sure they're just doing their routine, and who knows, eventually they'll come back. We have this big papa bear. We did have a mom and her 2 cubs. Haven't seen her in at least a month. But it doesn't mean she's not there. It just means she's not roaming in front of the cameras. There was a time where they would come and sniff the cameras, but now they've become quite accustomed to it. It's not a big deal. He just keeps walking by, which is fun to watch. Like I said, it's my new passion now, this new favorite thing of mine, just watching nature go by. But that mom and her fawn, which we have named her Bambi, of course we did, because it's original. Of course we have Bambi. But yes, it's wonderful. And then the fox, we have 2 of them. We have a red fox and then that tricolor fox. But yes, it is fantastic to watch. I'm going to let you finish all the footage on your own. I just wanted to share a little bit with you. Oh, there's that buck. Yes, he's a nice looking buck. He's very curious with the camera. Oh, there's that fox. But anyways, like I was saying, I am going to let you finish watching all of the great footage that we see on the off-grid property. As always, please do not forget to subscribe. Hit that like button and leave me a comment, because that is the reason why we do these videos. Help my channel grow so that we can make more content, new videos, and move to the off-grid property farm full-time and then enjoy what nature has to offer. Again, and as always, I appreciate your support. Thank you for watching and enjoy the content.